Things to do when the internet is down. Head outside to enjoy the fresh air and the nature. It's really not as bad as you think it is. Dial a call on a cable phone. And be sure to say bye at least 3 times after you're finished with your call. Now, does anyone actually know how to use this thing? Time to tend to that garden. Nobody wants dead, dry plants. It's not a good look, and you're better than this. Still looking for things to do? Why not go sky gazing? All you have to do is lie there and look at the sky. At this point, maybe you just have too much time on your hands. If you enjoyed sky gazing, you're going to absolutely love this one, because you can go tanning and soak up that sun. Looking good. But remember your sunscreen, because nobody wants sunburn. And finally, find somewhere comfortable and sink your eyes into a good old-fashioned book. At this point, hopefully your internet is back online. And now you can get back to browsing websites, watching videos, and whatever else you do on the internet. And if your internet is still down, just remember, you are a strong person and things will get better. That's all I wanted to say, so goodbye and stay online. Unless you can't get online, then maybe you should contact your internet provider. Goodbye.